SSB was started by Andre Brink in 1994 with only one vehicle and one driver. Today, the company has a staff complement of 160 employees, a fleet of over 70 trucks, and over 90 trailer combinations. In addition, they also have over 30 items of heavy plant hire, which includes loaders, excavators, dozers, and screens. Based at recently redeveloped premises in Paro Industria, SSB runs a 24-hour operations room, enabling them to serve their clients all year round. Every truck is monitored with satellite tracking systems, ensuring that clients are efficiently and economically served, while also maintaining reliability. Their client base is diverse and boasts many long-standing relationships with recognized companies including AfriSam South Africa, Consol Glass, and Transnet Port Terminals. As one of the leading suppliers of waste stream-related animal feed to Western Cape agriculture, SSB prides itself on having a large agriculturally based recycling and feeding arm to the business. In addition, they are one of the main suppliers to the civil engineering industry, working with reputable companies such as Group 5 and Roadmac. Their transport solutions include end tippers, interlink side tippers, flatbed links, as well as high-capacity grain trailers. The SSB mining division runs a large open-cast sand mine at Macassar in the Western Cape and supplies various large entities with sand, gravel, and stone. Their plant hire division has a large complement of earth-moving equipment including front-end loaders, excavators, dozers, screens, rollers, and water trucks. SSB has a verified Level 2 BBBE certification and is fully equipped to manage a wide range of transport needs, offering reliable and consistent service all year round.